So Busveld Minerals is AIM-listed company that's focused on developing vanadium primarily. We have three platforms though that are commodity focused: tin, vanadium, and coal and power. As far as tin is concerned, we've got a company called Green Hills. We're currently busy with the demerger process to give it life as a standalone African tin champion. We have just recently announced that the demerger will result in a new tin company called AfriTin Mining, which we hope in due course to list. Lima Resources is our coal asset in Madagascar, which we're developing as a thermal coal and a power generation play in partnership with Sino-Hydro, our Chinese partners there. Currently busy with a bankable feasibility study for the power project and hoping to finalize a power purchase agreement with the Madagascan government. But by far the biggest focus is on the vanadium company, and our vision is to grow the largest, lowest cost and the most vertically integrated vanadium company, primary vanadium company in the world. So as a company, we've had a very busy 2017 so far. The most notable achievement is the completion of the acquisition of Vametco, which is a primary vanadium mining and processing company in South Africa, which we acquired in partnership with Yellow Dragon Holdings. We have a 45% shareholding in the acquisition vehicle called Busveld Vametco Limited. The acquisition is notable for the attractive price we got the asset at, $16.5 million, for an asset whose replacement value is north of $200 million. And the fact that we were able to pay back $14 million of that acquisition cost, which we raised through debt, within 4 months of the acquisition. So that's been quite a phenomenal achievement for us as a company. And there's a lot of other things we're doing within the vanadium platform, which include advancing our mining right application for the Mojapelo vanadium project and are starting work on the Bridge vanadium project. Busveld Energy continues to make significant inroads. Recently, the CEO of Busveld Energy, Mikhail Nikomarov, was appointed chairperson for the Association of Vanadium Producers Energy Storage Committee. As far as tin is concerned, the fact that we have now put out a circular for the demerger of Green Hills into AfriTin, that's a very significant step towards letting, having the standalone tin platform that we promised the market about a year or so ago. And then lastly, on Lima, we continue efforts on our power purchase agreement. We signed the partnership or MOU with Sino-Hydro this year as well. So it's been a very busy year across all the platforms. Look, I think the key message is that Busveld, one, has delivered on its promises that we made when we laid out our strategy for the commodity-focused platforms. We're entering a new phase, having completed the acquisition of Vametco with Yellow Dragon. And we're seeing significant acceleration towards our vision of building this integrated, large, low-cost primary vanadium platform, which is a very attractive proposition in a market which has shown significant growth. I'm talking about the vanadium market, of course, with north of 240% rise in the vanadium prices just over the last under 2 years. We participate quite a bit in the one-to-one events, whether Cape Town, London, and this time Hong Kong. And we do this because we like the focused one-on-one meetings. We have ability to sit down with a broad range of potential investors, introduce them to the company. Coming to Hong Kong specifically, we're quite keen to also position the company, build awareness within the kind of Asian investor base, because we think that this is also an attractive proposition for this investor market.